As y'all can see, I gotta pour this concrete today. Yo, dog. Yup. Not to move it up. He moved it a little bit. Alright. There you got the concrete going. As you can see, got that pouring. Yes, sir. Yep. Looking good, looking good. I got my guys working. Look, Carlos, what's up, man? You good? Hey. And so when we finish up, we're going to do something special here today, like I always say. But yeah, see when we finish up. Yep. Got that broom finish on it. Almost finished. Do a little change of direction right here. Oh, and it down. Oh, Josh, you good, bro? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm laughing. That was a good video clip from my man Joshua, man. I made some Joseph concrete. I got my guys out here. Yeah. All right, yeah, we back again. About to show you pouring today. You know, back in the mix again. Look, they drink. Look, my man. Hey, hit it. Yeah, Josh. First one came out. We about to pump this. Too bad they under a tree. I mean, all this is yeah. That's the only part that kind of sucks, but yeah, came out pretty good. Another cut, switch up. My guy's ready. About to start pumping this out, guys. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, we out. Yeah, so we back, man. We out here. Show what we got going on here. Brooming it up. Yo, Carlos, what's up, man? You good?
Yeah, good, man.
Bueno. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's all going good. Job going straight. About to finish it up here. I motivate people. You know, maybe 8 months ago, Josh was, you know, just starting up. Now you're gonna be a finisher. Yeah, so we back at it again. We got another one. Nice little job, nice little setup. So we got a big garage here, and we just give him a pad. He got a big garage, so we gonna give him a pad. It's gonna be an open garage, I think. Nice little open garage. You can pull his car in, give it a little wash down, stuff like that. It's gonna look nice. These guys are getting it in. Oh yeah, we actually doing this too. I'm gonna show you. New apron for the garage. Yeah? Yeah. New apron for the garage. All the way through. Yeah. Pretty simple job. I'll get it done. Yeah, we're back at it again another day. Same job. So what we got going on here. I actually gotta put a form here. I actually gotta put a form there. I totally forgot. Took out all the concrete. About to get a guy a new apron. Nice little pad here, if y'all can see. It's gonna be a garage floor. What is it called again? Carport. It's a carport, guys. We're pouring a carport. He has a closed garage here, but this one is gonna be open. You know, you can pull in, wash your car. You know, you work on trucks and stuff like that. So, homeowner's really happy what's going on here. Can't wait for the concrete. We actually got concrete a little later today, but give us time to set up everything. Yep, we better get it in. Hey man, back at it. We're gonna show you guys when we get this concrete in, how it's gonna look. Give it a nice finished touch for you guys. We got the pad poured in now. I wish I'd got some video of us pouring it, but I ain't had time to set the camera up. I was a little busy this day, but got the pad in, as y'all can see. Nice broom finish. This came out amazing. And what we're about to do now here is we're about to spray it up. We got Pop over there setting it up. We're about to give it a nice little sealer. And today we got concrete coming in. Got to pour a new ramp here, all the way through here. Give him a nice little apron for his garage, all the way up to the end of the garage. You got a 3-car garage here. Now we back in action. Bunch of jobs lined up. We're gonna be doing a lot of videos. I got videos coming. I need to get a camera person out here so they can, you know, make sure I get all my videos set. But yeah, got the porch set up. We're gonna chill for a little bit, wait for concrete to get here. It's Friday, so you know, we try and get in, go home, have a nice little weekend. That's it, man. We're gonna show you guys when we're done. I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. All right, guys. Yeah, we just finished up. Like the work here. We back over. I'm gonna show you what it looked like. This is still green. The apron is still green because we just poured it. And what I mean by green is still fresh. Like we just poured it yesterday, but it came out good. I just sealed it. That's what you see. That's the liquid you see.
They're heavy, actually.
All the way up. This came out real nice. Yeah, and then got the pad, the major pad. This came out crazy. And we just sealed this, so it got like some dark spots, as you can see. But that's gonna dry up white. Yeah, we back. Got a little small job today. Come on, man. Miles be back. Hey, Mike, what's going on? How you feeling?
Sore already.
Just started the day. Tell him.
I haven't done anything.
I know. Tell him it's 7:0. What is it? 7:44. He said I'm sore already.
The heaviest thing I've picked up in 4 months is a gallon of milk.
Wow.
I'm telling you, I couldn't.
The issue was when we took this out. When we took it out, the block fell. The top level block fell. So that's what Mosby is doing now. He's replacing that level block, as you see here. Little stone. Broke out these. Yeah, that's pretty decent. And then we have an overpour. What we're gonna do right here. This right here dropped crazy. So we're gonna bring that up. Do a nice little pad, probably gonna extend it like 2 foot out, but yeah, man, we here. About to show you guys now. Right now it's still green, so that which means it's still, you know, looking discolored and everything like that, but it will turn white. As you can see, like some of the spots turning white and everything. So we got the wall underneath, as you can see here, on steps here, and we just poured this today, so you know, we turned that whole thing. Got a new wall, new walk down, and tomorrow we're gonna be cleaning up, putting the railings back on. But yeah, we show you guys. We got these steps. Homeowner added on the steps in the back here. Like again, I said, you know, you can see the color. It's because it's still green, and it'll just soon be all white and looking really nice. And then we got something we added on in the back here. Concrete. So all the extra layer, we're gonna cut that out with a demo saw. Anything small, big, we do. But we do have some bigger jobs set up to do after these ones. So once we, you know, knock out these little couple small jobs we got, but you know, like to me, it doesn't really matter, small, big, I'll take on them all. So like for all my people I know people ask me like, man, what's your next video? When it's this, I'm literally recording and editing myself. So like, I'm getting it on there. Plus, you know, I'm doing other things as well. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. We're gonna break it all down, clean it all up. All the wood will be gone. All right, man, we out of here. See you guys tomorrow. Show you what it's gonna be like. All right, guys, we back again. We just cleaned up the job. Show you guys what we got. Nice little walkway all the way up. Now remember that wall that Mosby put up? Well, plastered that. And they did have vinyl railings here. We're gonna be putting new ones here. Now they decided to go with new ones instead of putting the old ones back, so that came out nice. Yeah, here we go. Oh. Yes, sir. It came out real nice. Yeah, my guy just cut it on the sides real good. Oh man, it looks perfect. Yeah, that's how we do it. Came back to, you know, clean up a little bit. But yeah, everything came out good. Yeah, man, we out. What's going on, guys? We here. We back at it again. Like I said, I'm gonna show you what it look like the next. Show it look like when it's all the same color. And yeah, we here cleaning up. About to pressure wash the driveway a little bit. I'll show you what we got. Yeah, it's looking crazy. Came out real good. Nope, got the joints in all the right places. It's nice. Yeah, that's nice. We're about to just, you know, go on to the next one. Man, I love when I do jobs like this and they come out this good and the homeowner's happy. I love jobs like that, man. I'm gonna give you a good picture of it, backed up a little bit. That's the whole rundown right there.